Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, we are actually learning about why JavaScript is dynamic. In the previous video, we learnt about this. So today we'll discuss about why JavaScript is weakly or loosely typed. So let's jump into the code. So here I will create one variable called data and I will assign value 2, which is a number data type. Okay. And then I will concate with string data type. So here you have to observe we are taking two twos. Okay, this first two is a number data type. Okay, value is 2. The second operand it is string data type and value is 2. Okay, and we are using one plus operator. We'll see what will happen. Console.log and printing type of, we have to know the type of the data, right? After concatenating number data type and with string data type, what kind of data type it is, we have to know, right? So we'll see. So it is string data type and it is printing 22 value. Okay, how it was printed 22 and how it was converted into string, we have to know. Okay, see, when the JavaScript engine comes to this line number 71, so it will find this operand 2 and then it will go to the operator plus, after that it will go to the operand string 2. So here the JavaScript engine will understand like we are concatenating two kind of data types. One is number data type and second one is string data type. So the JavaScript engine will go to the first operand and it will convert this operand into the string operand. So then that means it will convert first operand as string, then it will concate with plus with the second operand. Then it will show string 22. It's not a 22 actually. Means it is just concatenating two strings. Okay, two is string and second two also a string. That's why we are seeing as 22, but it's a concatenation of two strings. So why we are talking about this? Because here we have created one variable, but with that variable we are using two kind of data types at a time. So that's called weakly typing. So we should not use two kind of data types at a time. Okay, if you use like this while developing a code, we will see or we can expect errors when we are unaware about our code. Okay, and I will show you one more thing for this same data variable. So I will give plus and then I will give string. So what we can expect, it's a string, right? Actually, we'll see what will happen. See, it's a number. So the data type is number and the value is 2. What happened here? How it was converted into number? See, here when JavaScript engine executing line number 73, it comes to this operator plus and it goes to operand string 2. So then it will comes to the first operand, but there is no first operand, right? So then the JavaScript engine will convert this string operand into number operand. Okay, number data type, string data type into numbers data type. So the second operand will convert into number data type. So there is only 2. So that's why it is printing 2 only. So this is how JavaScript engine will work. Okay, very dynamically, and it is very loosely typed JavaScript. I hope you understood what is loosely typed. Okay, thank you.